Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. So today in this video I will clear how you can get iAsk Pro premium for free. So let's get started. Before getting started, must join our channel, WhatsApp channel, and must join our Telegram channel. So also must join our portal to get premium accounts and much more premium data for free. So simply today in this video, okay, so I'm going to open with the incognito tab. I'm going with this one. Today I will show you how you can get iAsk a Pro version for free. So simply this is a website. This is fully legal. Students get 1 year of iAsk Pro for free. So okay, uh, you can see there iAsk Pro. I don't have iAsk Pro. Okay, so now I'm going to sign up here. Click on this offer, sign up. Okay, now put your name. So I'm going with my name, so Halsaya, and password. So oh sorry, email. So there is a main thing, email. So click on the new tab and I will share this website link. Okay, open this website, edumail.icu. Okay, now click on the free edumail. So this is the ad, close it, close this ad one, and click on this free edu email. Okay, now put your username. I'm putting my username and select the domain. This is ad. Now click on the first and click on the create. Okay, so now our email, our edu mail created. I have already created my edu email on this one, so I'm not going with this one. I'm changing it. Now click on the new, and I'm going with OBS team. Okay, OBS team 1, and click on the first domain or something. So go with the edu.pl, click on the create. Okay, and now here is our email. Our inbox is the empty. Okay, click on the copy, and now put your generated email here. And this is edu email. You can see in the last edu email. Now put your password here and click on the create account. So your account is now in the under process. So here you'll find your email. Click on this one and click on the confirm my email. Okay, so our email will confirm with this button. Click on the confirm my account, and now you are logged in. User confirmed successfully. Now you can see iAsk Pro is the activated. Now you can ask the question. Now you can do the summary, docs, images, everything is open now you can now you get the iAsk Pro version for free. Okay, so you can see your Pro plan is expiring on the 13 March 2026. Okay, it's not 25 here. Today is the 25, 13 March 2025, but it's the 2026. Okay, so with this one you can create the unlimited iAsk Pro accounts for free. So if you like this video, so hit the like button and must follow our channel. So for more videos, just leave a comment. Okay, bye bye.